Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dr. Speak Now. I'm David, here with Anna, and this is day 5.
Hello, everyone. Day 5. We're nearly at the end of week 1. Can you believe it? Look how far you've come already.
And today we tackle something we use every single day, often without even thinking about it. Something simple, but oh, so important. Today we talk about numbers.
Prices, phone numbers, your age, the time, how many cups of coffee you want, the bus number, your address. Numbers are everywhere. And if numbers feel scary in English, everyday life can feel stressful.
But by the end of this episode, numbers will feel friendly, not scary. We'll teach you the most useful number phrases and the small tricks that make a big difference.
Have you ever frozen in a shop when someone said a price too fast? Or panicked when someone asked for your phone number? Sound familiar? Don't worry. Today we fix all of that. Let's dive in.
Why do numbers matter so much? Because they connect you to the real world. Without numbers, you can't shop, you can't tell the time, you can't share your phone number, you can't catch the right bus.
Exactly. Imagine you're at a cafe and the worker says, "That's $3.50, please." You hear 3 and 50, but you're not sure. Is it $3, 30, 3.15? That tiny moment of confusion can feel really stressful.
And here's the consequence. If numbers are weak, every small daily task, shopping, transport, appointments, money, feels scary. But when numbers are strong, you walk through your day with calm confidence.
Numbers are like the air you breathe in real life. You don't notice them when they work, but you really notice when they don't. Let's make sure yours work beautifully.
Let's look at the common mistakes. Numbers have a few tricky traps.
Mistake number 1, mixing up the ouitin and tie sounds. 13 and 30, 14 and 40, 15 and 50. They sound so similar. The trick is the stress. 13. The stress is on the end. 30. The stress is on the beginning. Listen carefully. 13:30.
That's a huge one. Mistake number 2. Saying numbers all in one fast blur, especially with phone numbers. Instead of saying 5552847890, super fast, slow down. Group them. 5552847890. Much clearer.
Mistake number 3, forgetting the small word "and" in larger numbers. We often say 120 or 250. Don't drop that "and."
Mistake number 4, confusing 0 and O. In phone numbers, native speakers often say O instead of 0. So 505 might sound like 505. Both are correct, but it can be confusing the first time.
Mistake number 5, avoiding numbers because they feel scary. The more you avoid them, the scarier they stay. The fix is the opposite. Say them out loud every day until they feel as easy as breathing.
Don't worry about any of these. Every single one is normal, and we'll fix them all. Let's go step by step. Repeat out loud with us.
Step number 1, master the small numbers first. Say them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the building blocks of every other number.
Step number 2, practice teen versus tie. Slowly. 13, 30, 14, 40, 15, 50, 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80, 19, 90. Feel the stress jump from the end to the beginning.
Step number 3, telling your age. I'm 25 years old. Use your real age now. Say it out loud. Or for kids and teens, I'm 12 years old. Easy formula, I'm plus your number plus years old.
Step number 4, ordering with numbers. For example, 2 coffees, please. Or 3 tickets, please. Simple but powerful. Number plus item plus please works almost anywhere.
Step number 5, asking for or sharing prices. How much is it? The answer might be, it's $10, or it's €7. Whatever currency you use, the pattern is, it's plus number plus money word.
Step number 6, phone numbers. Say them slowly in small groups. For example, my number is 555-123-4567. Group them with little pauses so people can catch them.
Now let's hear it in action. Imagine a cafe. David, you order for 2 people.
Hi, 2 coffees and 1 tea, please. How much is it?
That's $10, please. Perfect. Short, clear, full of numbers. Let's try one more. You're sharing your phone number.
Sure, my number is 555-123-4567. Clear and grouped, easy to write down. Now you sound like a pro.
Mini recap. The small numbers 1 to 10. The teen versus tie stress trick. Sharing your age. Ordering with numbers. Asking prices. And sharing phone numbers slowly in groups. Time for daily exercises. These are simple and fun.
Exercise number 1. Count 1 to 20 out loud 3 times today. In the shower, on a walk, anywhere. Just 1 to 20. Smooth and rhythmic.
Exercise number 2. The stress drill. Say these pairs out loud 10 times. 1330, 1440, 1550, 1660. Feel the stress jump. 30, 13. This drill alone fixes one of the biggest beginner problems.
Exercise number 3. Real-life numbers around you. Look at your room. Count the chairs. Count the windows. Look at the clock. Say the time. Look at a price tag. Say the number. Make your home a number gym.
Exercise number 4. Practice your own numbers. Say your age out loud. Say your phone number slowly in groups. Say your home number if you have one. Make your numbers automatic in English first.
Exercise number 5. Order in your head. When you buy something today, in your language, mentally translate the price and the order into English. 2 coffees, please. That's $7. Quiet practice that builds real strength.
Consistency over perfection. 5 minutes of number practice every day will give you results in just 1 week. Trust the process.
Now let's talk about the feelings. Numbers stress many learners more than words do.
Challenge number 1. Numbers feel cold and scary in English, but easy in my language. That's because you learned your first language numbers as a child. They're deep in your bones. English numbers are newer, so they feel slower. The fix is just time and repetition. Soon, they'll feel just as natural.
Challenge number 2. People say numbers too fast and I panic. It happens to everyone, even native speakers. It's okay to ask politely, "Sorry, can you repeat that, please?" Or, "Slowly, please." That's not weakness. That's smart communication.
Challenge number 3. I can read numbers, but I can't say them out loud quickly. This is so common. Reading is silent. Speaking is active. The solution is to speak numbers out loud every day, even when nobody is around. Your mouth needs practice, not just your eyes.
So if numbers feel hard, don't give up. Keep saying them, slowly and clearly. Soon they'll be one of your easiest skills.
A few useful number words from today. Price, how much something costs. Currency, the type of money like dollars or euros. Phone number, the digits you use to call someone. Stress, in pronunciation, the part of a word you say louder, like 30. 4 useful words.
3 quick questions to test yourself. Answer out loud after each.
Question 1. Where is the stress in the word 13? At the beginning or the end? Question 2. How do you politely ask someone to slow down? Question 3. What's the simple pattern to say your age? Wonderful.
Let's recap today's journey. Small numbers 1 to 10, the teen versus tie stress trick, saying your age, ordering with numbers, asking prices, sharing your phone number slowly in small groups.
5 days in, and look at the skills you've built. Greetings, introductions. How are you? Goodbyes. And now, numbers. You can have a full, small interaction in English already.
Our question for you today. Comment below. How old were you when you started learning English? Tell us a number. We love your stories.
And if today helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Speak Now. It means the world to us.
Keep practicing, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next episode. This is Dr. Speak Now.